Top 5 must-eat fish that will flush out toxins and repair kidneys. Are you unknowingly turning your daily meals into a death sentence for your kidneys simply by choosing the wrong fish for your dinner table? This is a heartbreaking reality that many only realize when their vitality has begun to fade and their lab results reach a point of no return. We often celebrate fish as a savior for the heart, yet few understand through the philosophy of purification that the right fish is the most potent medicine to support tired kidneys. These aquatic creatures, blessed by nature with healthy fats and pure proteins, do not just soothe internal inflammation. They act as a refreshing tide that flushes out accumulated toxins from your bloodstream. For this reason, in my medical practice here in the United States, my colleagues and I always urge you to make fish a cornerstone of your healing journey, even if you are facing the challenges of chronic kidney disease. However, the line between vitality and illness is often thin. Not all fish are your allies. A mistaken choice involving fish high in phosphorus, sodium, or cooking methods that rely on toxic fats will directly poison your body's filtration system. In today's session on Kidney Health 365, I will reveal the top 5 fish true superfoods capable of performing miracles in detoxification and kidney cell repair when used with wisdom. Ensure you stay with me until the very end, especially for the final fish on our list, as it holds a secret that can help you reverse common mistakes currently devastating your kidney health every single day. 1. Tuna, a lean protein source. This is an iconic fish in American meals, but its true value lies in its kidney-supporting capacity that few fully appreciate. When chosen with wisdom, tuna becomes a gatekeeper, helping the excretory system filter toxins effectively. The first highlight is the lean, high-quality protein source. In the golden years, protein is the lifeblood for regenerating damaged tissues, and tuna provides this without placing heavy pressure on the kidney filters. Unlike red meat, tuna offers pure protein, freeing your kidneys from the overload of bad fats. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, a nutrient embodying the philosophy of balance by soothing inflammation. According to American Heart Association standards, these nutrients stabilize blood pressure and clear vascular pathways, protecting the sensitive renal glomeruli. Remember, high blood pressure is the primary enemy of kidney health. Therefore, choosing low-sodium or no-salt-added tuna is a prerequisite for protecting life. Many canned varieties contain excessive salt, forcing kidneys to exhaust themselves and causing fluid buildup. A deep medical insight from the U.S. is to choose light tuna to minimize mercury levels, ensuring absolute safety for the nervous system. Finally, the secret lies in simplicity. Prepare it with olive oil and herbs instead of industrial sauces. When eaten in proper portions, tuna is a powerful superfood helping you protect your kidneys and maintain natural daily purification. 2. Salmon, a superfood for inflammation reduction. This fish is celebrated as a gift from the ocean, and when viewed through the lens of kidney protection, this status is fully grounded in solid science. When you enjoy it in standard portions with refined preparation, salmon becomes a powerful ally in flushing out hazardous impurities. The core value of this fish lies in its abundant omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats act as natural anti-inflammatories, halting silent damage to the renal glomeruli and cardiovascular system. If you find these insights helpful, please comment with the number 1 below. It's a simple way for me to know you're still engaged and joining me on this journey of healthy, high-quality living. Leading medical organizations in the U.S. have proven that omega-3s optimize blood pressure and strengthen vascular walls, which are survival factors for protecting excretory function. Salmon also offers an excellent biological protein source, necessary for repairing tissue structures and maintaining muscle flexibility during your middle and senior years. Compared to common animal proteins, salmon contains very little saturated fat, helping your kidneys minimize metabolic pressure and prevent dangerous complications. Furthermore, it provides a B vitamin complex, especially vitamin B2, boosting energy and protecting the central nervous system. Salmon is also a precious source of minerals like iron, zinc, and iodine, playing key roles in the immune system. However, a medical reality you must note: salmon naturally contains potassium and phosphorus. In advanced stages of kidney disease, the buildup of these minerals can pose health risks. Therefore, portion control is the key to wisdom. Overeating will force your filters to carry an excessive burden. Preparation is equally vital. Please strictly avoid smoked or pre-packaged salted salmon as they contain very high sodium levels. Instead, prioritize fresh salmon, baked or broiled, using garlic and olive oil to preserve its full healing value. Always consult with me or a renal dietitian to determine the most accurate quantity for your specific condition. 3. Tilapia. A. Reasonable and gentle choice. This is an incredibly accessible and affordable food, leading many of you facing kidney challenges to wonder about its safety. I am pleased to share the good news that tilapia can certainly have a place in a renal diet, provided you adhere to the principles of moderation and refined preparation. The standout advantage of this fish is providing a lean, high-quality protein source. Protein is the core foundation for repairing cells and maintaining muscle flexibility. Compared to heavy red meats, tilapia is mild, easy to absorb, and significantly minimizes the filtration pressure on your kidneys. This makes it a superior choice for those in the early to middle stages of chronic kidney disease. Tilapia also carries essential micronutrients like selenium, which strengthens the immune shield and protects cells from oxidation. It is also rich in magnesium and B vitamins, vital factors that help you sustain life energy and support a smooth-running nervous system. With its low-fat and low-calorie characteristics, tilapia serves as an ideal base ingredient for light, wholesome meals. If you find these insights helpful, please comment with the number 2 below. It's a simple way for me to know you're still engaged and joining me on this journey of healthy, high-quality living. However, the philosophy of using tilapia lies in staying vigilant regarding minerals. This fish naturally contains phosphorus and potassium, two components you must strictly control when kidney function declines. When these minerals accumulate in the blood, they can strain bone health and the cardiovascular system, especially in advanced stages of the illness. Therefore, portion size is a survival factor. While protein is necessary, excessive consumption will force your damaged filters to overexert themselves. I typically advise keeping your intake around 3 ounces, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Additionally, note that tilapia has lower omega-3 levels than fatty fish, like salmon, so it is not as potent in anti-inflammatory capabilities. To optimize its healing value, resolutely reject breading, deep frying, or heavy salty seasonings. Instead, you should bake or broil it with herbs, garlic, and lemon juice to completely replace salt. Pair the fish with low-potassium vegetables like green beans or cucumbers to create perfect balance. The core message is that tilapia is not a forbidden food, but a food that requires understanding. When eaten in the right amount and cooked properly, it harmonizes beautifully with your kidney protection plan. Always consult with me to ensure every choice aligns with your current health stage. 4. Fresh cod. The safest choice. In the art of longevity for kidney patients, fresh cod is consistently honored as the safest haven due to its naturally modest mineral structure. My colleagues and I often incorporate this fish into golden meal plans to shield the body's filtration system. The fundamental reason cod is superior is its minimal sodium, potassium, and phosphorus levels compared to other species. Strictly controlling these elements is a vital mission for maintaining your internal balance. If you find these insights helpful, please comment with the number 3 below. It's a simple way for me to know you're still engaged and joining me on this journey of healthy, high-quality living. When sodium exceeds thresholds, blood pressure escalates and causes fluid retention, while excess potassium or phosphorus triggers risks to heart and bone health. Choosing cod is how you proactively minimize these threats. Furthermore, it is a peak source of pure protein, providing materials to repair tissues and maintain your vitality. However, remember that too much protein, even high-quality protein, can overwork the kidneys. With its low fat and highly digestible nature, cod nourishes the body without creating heavy metabolic pressure, making it especially suitable for those in the early to middle stages of their kidney recovery journey. Another hidden value is the omega-3 fatty acid content, which, while not as abundant as in salmon, is sufficient to soothe the cardiovascular system and extinguish inflammation. The intersection between kidney and heart disease is significant, making this support invaluable. However, the philosophy of healing only works when you apply correct preparation methods. Always stay loyal to fresh or properly frozen cod, and resolutely reject canned, smoked, or salted versions laden with toxic sodium. I recommend prioritizing baking, broiling, or poaching to preserve its essence. Avoid breading, frying, or salty sauces. Instead, use herbs like parsley, garlic, or black pepper. Lemon juice and olive oil are excellent companions to enhance flavor while remaining safe for your health. Portion control remains the golden rule. Typically, only 2 to 3 ounces per serving, depending on your individual protein needs. Even with safe foods, do not overindulge to avoid straining the kidneys. Note that cod still contains a small amount of phosphorus, so if you are prescribed phosphate binders, follow medical instructions during your meal. In summary, fresh cod is a wise choice, providing essential nutrients while keeping mineral levels at their safest. Always consult with me or a specialist to ensure cod harmonizes perfectly with your personal health plan. 5. Shellfish. The final surprise. Seafood such as shrimp, crab, clams, or mussels is often misunderstood as forbidden food. They can be healthy nutrient sources for the kidneys if you use them with vigilance and precise measurement. According to the health philosophy at prestigious organizations like the National Kidney Foundation, this food group can harmonize perfectly with a renal diet, provided you strictly control the preparation. The pivotal benefit is the high-quality biological protein. For those undergoing dialysis, replacing lost protein is a top priority, and shellfish help meet this need without accumulating harmful fats in your vascular system. Furthermore, this food group is a treasure trove of precious micronutrients. They offer zinc and selenium to strengthen the immune shield, along with vitamin B12 to nourish the nervous system and regenerate red blood cells for you. Minerals like iron and magnesium within them act as energy production engines, keeping your body full of vitality. Another philosophical advantage is their very low oxalate content, significantly reducing the risk of kidney stone formation, a constant concern for many seniors. However, this journey requires caution against potential risks. Many types of shellfish contain naturally high phosphorus levels, an element that can weaken the skeletal system and strain the heart if the kidneys cannot filter it in time. Therefore, consulting a dietitian to determine portions is absolutely essential. You must also be wary of sodium levels in canned or smoked products, as excess salt directly causes high blood pressure and fluid retention. Prioritize fresh food to protect your filters. Specifically, pay attention to potassium levels to avoid dangerous complications in the bloodstream. The most stringent warning I want to send you is never eat them raw. With a sensitive immune system in the golden years, bacteria in raw seafood can cause highly toxic infections. Always ensure food is fully cooked to keep your life safe. To enjoy wisely, maintain a portion of about 3 ounces, roughly the size of a small deck of cards. Grill or broil with herbs, garlic, and lemon instead of using butter or salty sauces. In summary, shellfish are not a barrier, but a sophisticated supplement if planned methodically. Always discuss with me and your physician to personalize this menu, helping you enjoy the flavors of the ocean in the most peaceful way. Conclusion and advice from Dr. Mattheus. The journey of preserving the lifeblood of your kidneys is not as demanding or complex as many of you might fear. Through the scientific evidence I have presented, understanding and selecting the right fish species constitutes a pivotal turning point in your entire health landscape. The appropriate foods do not only soothe inflammation but also act as powerful catalysts supporting natural self-repair and toxic drainage. However, you must keep in mind that the healing power resides not only in the ingredient itself. The art of longevity lies in mastering portion control. maintaining sophistication in preparation, and upholding absolute balance. Even a highly nourishing fish can transform into a burden if you overconsume or misuse salt in your kitchen. It is these small, yet wise transformations in your daily menu that will serve as the strongest shield to protect your kidneys for the long term. If you are facing kidney challenges or simply wish to honor your precious filtration system, begin today by making informed food choices and always listening to the vibrations of your own body. Whenever in doubt, do not hesitate to consult directly with me or your renal dietitians to establish a personalized roadmap best suited to your condition. If these insights have brought value to you, please give a like and subscribe to the Kidney Health 365 channel so we can continue our journey through reliable health lessons. I look forward to receiving your comments regarding your personal journey below, as every individual story can be a source of inspiration to save someone else. Do not forget to spread this video to your loved ones who may need it. Sincere thanks for watching. I am Dr. Mattheus, and I will see you in our next conversation.